Alright guys, Jay Woods here at KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and Cards. We're back with 4 boxes of the new high-tech for ChesterCopperPot. It's going to finish our loose case that we had. Where did my blade go? Okay, we're going to start with box 2. Box number 2. Oh. We just went for a little flying view of everything. Sorry guys, it's a little late. All right. Alright, all cards are live. Good luck, ChesterCopperPot. We got James Shields, lines. Roberto Osuna, dots. Sonny Gray, pipes. Jose Canseco, purple. Salvador Perez, the crisscross lines. That's a good short print. And Starling, I do point at everything Marte. Starling Marte is not numbered on your autograph. Miguel Cabrera and Freddie Freeman. Box 6. Box 6. All cards are live from box 6. I have so much trash to pick up in this office. Alright. Francisco Lindor, lines. Barry Larkin, dots. Daniel Norris, pipes. Purple. Dalton Pompey. George Springer, chain link, and not numbered, Kevin Plawecki for the Mets. Kevin Plawecki. Guys, Dalton Pompey and Jorge Soler. This is box 7 for you. Kristen, how are you still awake? All cards are live. We got Barry Larkin, Felix Hernandez, dots. Christian Yelich, purple. We got Chris Sale, diamond pattern. We have not numbered Devin Travis. Stop telling me what to do, Zon. Stop telling me what to do. Devin Travis, grass. Then we got Victor Martinez, David Ortiz, and Ricky Henderson. All right, last box. Good luck, Chester. Where's the black in this case? There we go. There we go. There we go. Corey Kluber, lines. Salvador Perez, lines. Dots, James Shields. Blake Swihart. I just saw who that was. You'll be very happy. Chester, you paying attention? 87 of 99. Blake Swihart. Ah, this case was disgusting. Put them this way. Alright, guys. This makes up for it. Gold. Mr. Byron Buxton. Nice hit on the gold rainbow parallel. Correa and Buxton in the same case. Nice hit on the Buxton. And then we got Ichiro circuit boards, Devin Travis circles, and Springer lines. Chester, appreciate it. Nice hits from the case. Very nice hit on the Correa and Buxton.